Hello, I'm Mr. Parker and this is question 8 on the OCR Core 2 paper from June 2010. For more questions on this exam paper, click the link here or check in the video description. Question 8. Use logarithms to solve the equation 5 to the power of 3w minus 1 equals 4 to the power 250, giving the value of w correct to 3 significant figures. Let's start by writing out our equation. And then we'll take logs of both sides. So we get log of 5 to the power 3w minus 1 equals log 4 to the power 250. Here I've not specified the base. Whenever the base isn't specified, you should really assume that it's base 10. Next, I'm going to use the power law for logs, which says if I've got a log of a to the power b, I can write that as b multiplied by log a. So on the left hand side, I'm going to multiply it by 3w minus 1. It's really important you put this in a bracket here because you're multiplying by the whole of this expression. And I'm going to get log 5 equals 250 log 4. Next I'll expand out this bracket, so I get 3w log 5 minus log 5. And that's going to equal 250 log 4. Next, I'll eliminate this term from the left hand side by adding log 5 to both sides. And finally, I'll divide through. At the moment, I've got w multiplied by 3 and log 5, so I'll divide by both of those at the same time, and I end up with w equals 250 log 4 plus log 5, and that's all divided by 3 log 5. And if I put that into my calculator, I get 72.1 to 3 significant figures. Part B says, given that log base x of 5y plus 1 minus log x 3 equals 4, express y in terms of x. Let's start by writing it out again. For part B, I'm going to use a different log rule, and I'm going to use the rule that says log a minus log b can also be written as log of a divided by b. This rule only works for logs of the same base like we have here, so I'm going to get log base x of 5y plus 1 divided by 3. Next, I'm going to think about how I could write this equation here as an exponential. So if we have log base a of b and that equals c, that is the same thing as saying a to the power of c equals b. Notice how the base of the log and the base of the power are the same, and we can use that to manipulate this expression here. So we would get x to the power 4 equals this bracket. Multiplying both sides by 3 gives us 3x to the 4 equals 5y plus 1. Subtracting 1 from both sides gives us 3x to the 4 minus 1 equals 5y, and dividing through by 5 is going to give us y equals 3x to the power 4 minus 1, all divided by 5.